I'm going to show you exactly how CPA marketing works in the next few minutes. I'll show how to choose the right offer, how to get free traffic in 3 different ways, and how to make your first $1,000 without building a fancy website or investing an arm and a leg into paid ads. I did everything that I'm about to show you for myself, and I made over $20,000 this month from CPA marketing. This works. So I hope you can take this and get the results that I've seen too. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the basics. For those of you who haven't heard of it before, CPA marketing is a method to earn money without selling products directly. CPA stands for cost per action, meaning you get paid when someone completes a specific action, usually just by providing and submitting their email address in a form or something like that. They don't have to purchase anything or spend money for you to earn. Here's the plan we'll follow in this video. Firstly, select an offer that gives people a reason to sign up through your referral link. Then create a landing page where you can feature multiple links. While each offer might only pay a few dollars individually, having multiple links on your landing page lets you earn $20, $30, or even $50 per referral, still without making sales. Next, you'll want to select a free traffic source, and I'll guide you through several options, focusing on 3 main ones to help you generate income without spending on ads. After that, I'll show you how to leverage AI to add value on these platforms so that you can attract free traffic without revealing your identity. Now that you understand the fundamentals of CPA marketing, let's move on to step 1, selecting the right offer. There are many marketplaces where you can find CPA offers. For example, you can check out cpagrip.com, which is my go-to. Here you can sign up for free and access offer tools to browse through different offers. Some offers even give participants a chance to win prizes after they sign up through a link. If you can get participants to sign up, you'll make $1 or $2 per sign up. Apart from affiliate networks, there are different apps you can check out, like TapMob. This free app has helped me earn over $4,000 in commissions. Within its offer section, you'll find opportunities that pay around $5 to $7 for each email collected. In these offers, people are incentivized to sign up through a link, giving me $5 per email collected, while participants have a chance to win prizes like a $100 Dunkin' Donuts gift card. I can instantly copy my referral link and direct people to sign up. They don't have to pay anything, but I still get paid $5 or $6 if they sign up for free. My goal is to find at least 5 of these giveaway offers or similar offers within any of these networks. I'll save these links somewhere. Google Docs is easiest for me. You can use whatever works best for you. Just keep these links to the offers safe. Now, the next step is picking where you'll get people to visit your links for free. There are lots of ways to do this without spending money. You could try YouTube, where you can earn cash from ads and send viewers to your links. Or there's TikTok, where you can get paid for your videos and share your links in your profile. Twitter is another option. Even if you don't have many followers, you can create posts that attract attention and share your links there. You can also set up an Instagram page or theme page, put your links in your profile, and post stuff to get people interested. Facebook groups can be useful too. They have lots of groups you can join for free. There's also medium.com, where you can write articles that show up on Google, and you can write up to 20 articles every day. Another site you can use is steemit.com. Here, you can share your articles and even earn money based on how many people read them. Pinterest is also a great tool for driving traffic. You can create a page and share different pins about giveaways, then link those pins to your referral links. It's simple. Just create a pin, design it. You can even use Canva for this. Add a title, insert your referral link, and hit publish. You can also use imgur.com, which has millions of visitors and won't cost you a dime. So there's lots of options, and I'd recommend checking all of them out and then deciding on 2 or 3 that you're most confident with. For right now, I want to focus on these 3 platforms: Imgur, Medium, and TikTok. As I said earlier, it's important to have a landing page where you can feature multiple links instead of sending people directly to one referral link. This way, you can diversify your earnings and freely share links on any platform. If you're not keen on building a website with WordPress and spending a lot of money, you can use Canva to create a simple landing page for free. You can check out the templates they have here, pick one and customize it. You can change colors, fonts, add images, emojis, and more. Then just add the giveaways or offers you're promoting. For example, let's say I have this $750 PayPal gift card from TapMob, and I want to direct people to my referral link using a button. You can easily insert your own referral link by clicking on these 3 dots, then selecting Link and pasting your referral link. When someone clicks on the button, it will take them to your affiliate link. You can do the same for all the other offers, customizing them according to the giveaways you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a Dunkin' Donuts gift card instead, just make that change. You can also adjust the call to action, colors, and everything else to suit your preferences. Once you're done, you can publish your website. If you don't want to spend money, you can use a free domain. Otherwise, you can buy a $12 domain and then click publish to make your landing page live. Once again, this is the simplest way to create a landing page to host multiple referral links for CPA marketing. Now, we need people to click on these links and sign up. To start driving traffic to this website, I just need to copy its URL and begin promoting it on the platforms I've chosen. First up is Imgur. But before that, I'll create a promotional design in Canva, which is also free. You can search for giveaway designs or templates, customize them, and then download them as PNG files. After that, I'll head over to Imgur, create a new post, upload the image, add a catchy title, and below that, include a call to action like, click here to join for free, along with a link to my landing page, and I can share this content on Imgur where tons of people can see it. Imgur lets you create different types of posts. It's a good idea to make content that people find interesting or funny because that's what Imgur users like. Even if your content isn't about giveaways, adding a call to action can still get people's attention. For example, some people post clips from shows like Family Guy and then ask people to join a giveaway at the end. Even if the clip isn't related to the giveaway, people might still check it out and sign up out of curiosity. Another way to get people interested in CPA marketing is by using Medium. Here you can write articles and include links to different offers, whether they're affiliate or CPA deals. You can write about all sorts of topics and add your links naturally. Even though there are tools that can help you write articles quickly, like ChatGPT, it's still important to make sure your content is good and relevant to your audience. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create an article titled Top 10 Facts You Didn't Know About the Moon with just one click. It's an easy way to make content that people will enjoy reading. Here's a sample article generated by AI. While it's good, Medium isn't a big fan of AI-generated content, so there's a risk of getting shadow banned. While I haven't seen anyone get shadow banned for using AI content yet, some say it's not the best practice for your Medium account. So if you're able to write articles yourself like I did with this one and naturally include your links, it might be tougher and take more time than using an AI tool, but it could lead to better results and more earnings in the long run. Lastly, another excellent traffic source is TikTok, especially with their new creativity program where you can also earn money by promoting your referral links. You can create short TikToks without even showing your face and use AI to help with some parts of the videos. Share them on TikTok for free, and if your videos are over 1 minute long and you're approved for the monetization program, you can earn money for the views you get. Then, you can direct people from TikTok to your referral links, which you can include in your bio. Honestly, there's so many ways to make money through CPA marketing, and I hope you got some good ideas from this video. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.